To set corner action for top left, to do the click and hold function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top left. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on off switch next to click and hold to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Now, go to the screen where you can do a click and hold function. As the example, we will use the click and hold function to open up the detailed option of a quick setting button. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen to open up the notification panel. Hover and stop your mouse pointer on the top left corner of the screen. And then bring the pointer to the quick setting button to do click and hold to open up its detail option. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.